Hey people, so it is like 1 in the night, and I wonder if you can see this light that is darting across. I can't for the life of me make out what it is, but this seems to happen often enough. I don't know. Earlier it was a little far away, now it's coming closer and closer. What is it? What must be causing these lights? That's a kitten mewing in the background, but this is something we are looking at the sky, right? But I'm just very fascinated. What must be causing these lights? So, if anyone has any idea, you all can tell me. Huh, because it's just there's no source of light that could be giving out these kind of beams, but that's what it is, yeah. Some strange looking lights in the sky. So, yeah. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please